until all the lights were off, and not knowing what you're up to tortured me.